Halloween characters. Let's begin. Vampire. It's a vampire. Ghost. It's a ghost. Black cat. It's a black cat. Owl. It's an owl. Mummy. It's a mummy. Spider. It's a spider. Worm. It's a worm. Witch. It's a witch. Bat. It's a bat. Zombie. It's a zombie. Frog. It's a frog. Frankenstein. It's Frankenstein. Scarecrow. It's a scarecrow. Werewolf. It's a werewolf. Werewolf. Troll. It's a troll. Haunted house. It's a haunted house. Skeleton. It's a skeleton. Happy Halloween! Check out our printables on our website. Thank you for watching. See you next time.